SideSync is gone. Can Samsung Flow replace it? In this video, we compare Samsung Flow vs SideSync for screen mirroring, file transfer, and connectivity, and show which works better today, plus a solid alternative. Part 1. Samsung Flow vs SideSync. Brief overview. 1.1 What is Samsung Flow? Samsung Flow is a software application that allows seamless connectivity between your Samsung devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and Windows PCs. 1.2 What is SideSync? SideSync is a Samsung app that lets users connect their Samsung smartphone or tablet to a PC or another device for easy content sharing. It allows screen mirroring, keyboard and mouse control, and file transfers between devices, making multitasking more convenient. Part 2. Samsung Flow vs SideSync. Key features. Part 3. How to switch from SideSync to Samsung Flow. Android 8 plus Windows 10 11s or macOS. Official store download. Same network plus Bluetooth. Flow Add device confirm. Enable smart lock, notifications, clipboard. Test sync. Remove SideSync. Part 4. FAQs about Samsung Flow and SideSync. Q1. More secure than SideSync. Yes, PC unlock via fingerprint pin. Q2. Notifications synced. Flow. Full sync. SideSync. Limited. Q3. Works on Mac? Yes. macOS Sonoma plus some limits. Q4. Clipboard sharing? Yes. Copy or paste between devices. Q5. Internet needed? No Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth enough. Q6. Remote PC unlock? Yes, via phone fingerprint or PIN. Part 5. What if Samsung Flow doesn't work? Check compatibility. Android 8 plus Windows 10 11s or macOS Sonoma. Update Flow, latest version on phone and PC. Restart devices. Check network. Same Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth on. Pair devices. Enable permissions, notifications, storage, etc. Disable VPN firewall. Update OS. Clear cache settings. Apps Flow storage. Test Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Reinstall Flow. Remove conflicting apps, for example, SideSync. Contact Samsung support. Part 6. Best alternative to Samsung Flow and SideSync. SideSync is gone, and Samsung Flow only works on newer devices. Screen Mirror offers smooth, stable mirroring across more phones and PCs, without Flow's restrictions. Here are its key features. How to screen mirror a mobile phone to a PC using Screen Mirror. Download and install the Screen Mirror application on your computer. After that, launch the utility. Connect your device to this PC using a USB cable. Subsequently, opt for Transfer Files on your phone to establish the connection. Go to Settings. About Phone Software Info. Tap Build number 7. Enable Developer Options. Turn on USB debugging. Authorize app and allow overlays. Click Turn on to install Screen Mirror. Phone is now mirrored to PC.